Hello, Akanksha ma'am.
Hello sir, welcome to Cosmo Dental Care. I'll just take you around my clinic.
Yes, please.
First thing first, she's Dr. Pragya.
Hi, Pragya. Hi.
She's Dr. Priyanka.
Hi.
Hello.
And let me show you the treatment rooms
Yes.
now. These are the treatment rooms, dental treatment rooms.
X-ray
We
room.
have a OPG. Yeah, that's a full mouth X-ray. This is the cosmetology and skin and hair treatments. Where we do hair transplants as well.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the OP. The waiting area for the patients. And this is my consultation chamber. The Karthik's chamber.
You have this in-house
Yes.
advertisement. Okay.
Yes,
Great.
so that patients get to know what all we do.
Okay. Nice.
And this is the best part, I think, of a clinic. It's
Yeah.
a full body
Massage
massage
chair.
chair, zero gravity chair.
If I'm waiting, I can use this.
Yeah, of course.
Quite premium complimentary service you are providing. Nice.
This is
Pantry area.
no, that is the pantry. This is a sterilization room, basically.
Sorry.
So, wherein we wash the instruments
Yes.
and then we do the packing individually and we autoclave the instruments.
Great.
And this is the pantry
Cool.
because this is like my second home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Thank you for inviting us over here.
Thank you for coming and
Yes.
giving your time.
So, me and Akanksha ji, we are part of Vienna Emperor's chapter.
Yes.
And today I am here at Cosmo Dental Clinic, one of the most, 5-star kind of a
Cosmo
clinic,
Dental Care.
Cosmo Dental Care that I'm able to witness here.
Yeah.
And really, I see a very nice setup that you have done.
Yeah, yes. Actually, I didn't want it to look like a normal clinic.
Okay.
I wanted to give a homely feel, as well as the treatment rooms you have seen. They should be, up to the standards.
Right.
So that is why we put in a lot of effort in designing and doing the things.
Great. So, Akanksha ji, as you know, I represent DigiSamvad HR Services.
Yes.
So through DigiSamvad HR Services, we try to take interviews with professionals like you, and we try to understand the journey behind this, your journey behind how this Cosmo Dental Clinic was set up, or your past experience and your journey towards this. So I'll be asking you a few questions. Please feel free and share your thoughts.
Sir.
So my first question, Akanksha ji, is how did Cosmo Dental Care come into existence? How did you start this?
Sir, so actually, first I did my BDS, like bachelor's, and then I worked under a senior doctor.
Okay.
And then I established my clinic in Secunderabad area. So I practiced there for 10 years.
Okay.
And then I wanted to do something, really big and impactful. And so that is how we chose this place. So I wanted to, in the meantime, I joined my MDS. So I did my master's in maxillofacial surgery.
Okay.
So there I could see a lot of scope and advanced treatments which I could deliver. So that is how we planned to set up a clinic like Cosmo Dental Care.
So since when is this setup established?
So this clinic, this Cosmo Dental Care was established in December 2023.
2023. And
Yes.
since when are you in this field? Means you have done 10 years already.
Yeah, it's like I have a 15 plus years experience. So I am
Okay.
in this field since 2008.
Okay, so around 15 years of experience.
Yes.
So we are in good hands.
Yeah, of course.
So Akanksha ji, what was the biggest challenge in starting your own clinic, and how did you overcome it? Did you face any challenges?
Yeah, of course. It had a few challenges. The first and foremost was, to find a perfect location for the clinic.
Right.
And then, so me and my husband, हम लोग रोज निकलते थे to search for a place where we can, it should be like क्या बोलेंगे उसको prominent area
Prominent
Yeah, a landmark where we
Easy
have
to
good
reach.
clientele also and good reach, parking, what sare issues थे.
Right.
So select a location. So location was the first and foremost thing. So luckily we found this place.
Okay.
And then finances, of course, जो सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है.
Actually.
So finances के लिए we had to take loan and all. So
Right.
we got help from that. And apart from all that, clinic the interiors, designing, so how it should look, how pleasing, aesthetic, at the same time it should be functional, comfortable,
And
so there
welcoming
were so
to the
many, yeah,
patients.
definitely.
Yeah.
So these were so many things we had to look into. So that is how we designed all this.
Yeah, and I also observe you feel like very welcoming over here when you come inside the
Yeah.
clinic.
Thank you.
It's very nice and warm and bright. Akanksha ji, how has being part of BNI influenced your business and personal growth?
Being a part of BNI has helped me a lot, both professionally and personally as well. For my personal growth, it has improved my leadership qualities, and BNI actually feels like my extended family.
Actually,
So I'm very happy that I, got associated with BNI. The members, they are more like my family, and the most prominent thing is like you have different professionals there,
right.
and you're connecting with them directly, and you take support emotionally ho ya anything for your business. So it is very good actually. Being a part of BNI has helped me a lot.
Good network. You are able to connect to different industries.
Exactly.
And
More
helpful.
than getting business and all, it is like we grow together.
Actually, yeah. As you rightly said, extended family.
Yeah.
Sometimes we miss the BNI meetings if we
Yeah.
don't attend it.
Yeah, exactly. So what I can say is we are more empathetic, compassionate, and precise when compared to the men. Yeah. So those qualities, along with our professional treatment, definitely gives a different touch to what I do.
Yeah, I feel that. I mean, even in our any interactions that I have with you, I always feel you are a very kind-hearted and soft-spoken person, and you have empathy. That is what is required in in this field, right?
Yes. Misconceptions, yes, because of this patriarchal society what we live in. Definitely people think women cannot handle a business, or they cannot take care, they are supposed to be at home. It is not like that. See, women, as I said, all these compassion, empathy, apart from that they do multitasking,
right?
Yes. So that it is not like women cannot do a business. She can do anything.
Yeah,
she has the will to do anything.
If given a chance, woman can do everything.
So because as you can say, like women give birth to a baby.
Right.
So right from creation to
expansion.
Making them, yes, definitely.
But what is the USP of Cosmo Dental Clinic?
See, in Cosmo Dental Care, we have a practice. See, first, I will tell about the treatment rooms.
Okay.
So the treatment rooms that are designed, the kind of flooring we have used, it's an antibacterial epoxy flooring.
Okay.
And even the walls, if you see, these kind of puff panels, they're actually used in a pharmacological, because we don't want a normal wall or a flooring where you have that dust setting in. So these are easy to clean, antibacterial. Sterilization and disinfection is easy.
Okay.
So each and all these minute things also, all these thoughts also we have put in.
Right.
And of course the equipment, what we use. We have all the high-end equipments.
Right.
The latest technologies. We have the intraoral scanner, digital X-ray, and many more like that.
And I see one cosmetology room also. So what exactly is this?
See, cosmetology room, as being a maxillofacial surgeon, I also practice facial aesthetics and hair transplants.
Okay.
So here what we do is we do facial treatments such as any deformity which has to be corrected, minor surgical procedures.
Okay.
Facial aesthetics as in the skin which has a dull skin, or even acne problem, who has acne pits, So we do GFC, PRP for hair, like hair fall and hair transplant.
Okay. So that is what cosmetology is.
Yes.
Great. And what all other services do you provide apart from cosmetology and dentistry?
No, it is like a complete dental and cosmetology and hair treatments.
Okay, cosmetology, dental, and
Yes.
hair treatment.
Yeah.
Everything in one place.
Yes, and USP of our clinic is like, see, there are 9 different branches in dentistry. So for each specialty, we have a specialist come in and do the
Okay.
treatments. It is not like I do everything or some other doctor does everything. So I'm a maxillofacial surgeon. I treat my specialty.
Okay.
So we have endodontist consultants who come and who, like, endodontists are root canal specialists.
Root canal specialist.
So they come, they do their treatment. So we have prosthodontist. Prosthodontist is the one who's, you know, giving crowns, the caps on the
Okay,
teeth and
okay.
other procedures. So they come in. Then we have periodontists who are gum specialists. So they come in for the gum procedures, gum
Okay.
surgery. So each and every treatment what we provide to our patient is done by a specialist in that field.
Okay. So it is not like one person doing everything. You have a
Yes.
specialist for each and every
Yes,
part.
exactly.
So I think that is one major advantage and major USP. That
Yeah,
we have.
of course. And most of the clinics don't practice this way, but we wanted to, you know, set a standard for our treatment.
Yeah. So as I said, we are not just in good hands, but we are in many good hands.
Yeah, actually.
Now you must be having a team set up over here.
Yes.
So how do you maintain that? How means I have seen you are having a lot of fun because I see your reels. So the environment is already very happy because you must guys follow and see the Cosmo Dental Instagram handle.
Yeah.
I'll put the link in the description. So they make very innovative and very fun, but along with fun, it is educational also.
See, basically our team, I would say I'm lucky to have my doctors who are very cooperative,
Okay.
innovative, you know, and they give ideas, aise karte hain, waise karte hain, and that is how we make those reels. And then at the work end, see, it is like we learn from each other. It is not that I, being a senior doctor, मैं बोलती हूँ ऐसे करो ऐसे. We don't, you know, have authority over.
You are not forcing authority.
Yeah, I'm not forcing it.
You are keeping it democratic.
Yes, it is like we work in a friendly manner. It is, see, BNI is a family, and now here I have my junior doctors as my family.
Yes.
So I don't treat them as outsiders or acha ye doctor ye kar rahe. No, they are, you know, like friends and family. So
Okay,
that
so
is how I.
Very homely and friendly environment within the
Yeah.
office also.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, it is actually very important because आजकल सब digital ही है.
जो
And
दिखता है वो दिखता है.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So digital marketing is very important, and the services what you are doing as in Digi Samvad,
Yes.
that is like, you know, the thing which we have to be done.
Okay.
So it is very important.
Yeah, so,
Otherwise, people will, you know, they cannot recognize you.
means you need to be findable, you need to be searchable on
the visibility
internet.
and all is very important, and this really helps.
So through DigiSamvad HR services, we try to conduct such interviews and help the business owner gain some visibility.
Yeah.
And that is what kind of my give to BNI because
Yeah, that is a very thoughtful and a very good initiative. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
that.
Thank you
Satyajit.
for that.
Yeah, definitely. So with the first podcast, I would say the video, it was just about normal brushing, and we got around 10.9 million views.
Wow.
So it got connected with the people. So definitely my reach has increased.
Great.
You know, people got to know ki they, of course, there were some negative comments, positive comments, appreciation wale comments and everything, but definitely it has increased the brand value
Yes.
and the reach of my business. I would say you can do anything. You, whatever you feel, just write down ye karna hai, and don't, you know, get into like what if they think कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं. Don't think about negative about yourself. Just go ahead. And
If you saw this
Thank you, sir.
short and sweet interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please comment. and I will be putting the details about Cosmo Dental Clinic, the website, the mobile number if you have for booking.
Yeah, sure.
And also office location on our YouTube channel. So please visit Cosmo Dental Clinic. And one additional thing which I
even I would like
Yes.
to add one thing. Like, we should be taking services from Mr. Sachin, his experience and the DigiSambad, the digital marketing and the other services is doing. Definitely, you should also.
Thank
meet
you for that.
Yeah.
One additional thing which I was going to tell is, if you come here and you are waiting, you get a world-class full body massage chair.
Yeah, that is the highlight of our clinic. That's a zero gravity chair and it is complimentary.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.